If I'm in a bad mood, I might just wear black. I believe in myself. I believe I am a very good Santa Claus. I like Abhay Deol's style. And I love all his like funky graphic t-shirts that he wears. I would want to like steal all his t-shirts.
We are exploring the beauty of the beach, beer and bikini at one of the famous states of India, Goa. Exploring Goa market for another episode of Gully Fashion. Well, look who's here.
Oh,
hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing very well. So, what are you doing here in Goa today?
Well, I'm shopping. It's always hard to shop in these shops because you can't try them on. So you gotta like estimate if it's gonna fit you right.
And do you require my help in that case?
Absolutely.
Well, Kalki, I guess things are about to work in your favor.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm here, since I've bumped into you.
Yes.
So what exactly are you looking for today?
I like those like slightly flowy type of things. So a dress or a skirt.
And we could have a top over it.
Yeah.
And maybe you could do a kaftan or a cord set.
Yeah.
How does that sound to you?
Yeah, that
All
sounds
right.
good.
All right, let's do this. Well, Vaise, while we are shopping, I would really love to know what's your style statement like?
My style statement. I think I'm very eclectic. Like I don't have one particular style. I like to go according to my mood. If I'm in a bad mood, I might just wear black. And if I'm in a good mood, I might wear like a cotton,
Totally.
Snow White type dress.
Wow.
So yeah, it needs to move according to me. It's not my favorite, no, but I do like pink. I like pink and I like turquoise. These are my two weaknesses. This color here, ये दिखाइए और ये भी दिखाइए. ये भी अच्छा है.
Not bad, not bad.
What do you think looks better on my skin?
Well, I mean, I really feel you should go for the
pink?
one in pink.
You like the pink?
Yes.
Even I like the pink more.
The pink looks quite fresh.
Yeah. Now I'm feeling this less now.
Henna?
I'm feeling
Henna?
more this.
I think this
Henna?
should be it. And definitely
think
we
the
can.
boobs will fit.
That shouldn't be a problem.
अच्छा adjustment है. Adjustment है.
चलो adjustment है तो
ठीक है.
that's pretty
तो
sorted
इसके
now.
साथ do we need to like do anything?
We can just buy some
Accessories?
nice pair of earrings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
आप
let's-
इसका कितना बोल रहे हो? 650. और अगर आप
650.
थोड़ा सा और adjust कर सके तो 500 में दे दोगे? Wow.
क्या बात है.
Not
Thank
bad,
you.
not bad. ठीक है, आप ये दे दीजिए 500 में. Okay, so now, like you mentioned, you would love to.
Either like a bag or a hat.
I think a hat would
Hat
be preferable.
Will be nice.
Yeah. Hats भी आपके पास
Hats
होते
है.
हैं. उनके पास hats
आपके
है.
पास है. This is very fun. Look at these hats. They're so dramatic.
Do you live for the drama?
Of course, I love the drama. Why would I be an actor otherwise? I think it's very therapeutic. This pink.
आप वो dress दे
no,
दोगे
this
एक
pink,
second के
This
लिए?
pink won't work with that.
Yeah, that'll be too pink.
Too pink.
I wouldn't mind this, to be
Even
honest.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute.
Looks cute. Yeah, it goes really well with the outfit.
Let's try. Does this hat work on my head? Is it too big?
It looks nice. आपके पास mirror है?
I don't like it too much. You know,
The hat is pretty, but it's not giving
It's
you the
pretty-
right shape.
Yeah, it's a little off, and I don't like the bling too much. This shiny part.
We can move to another shop.
Yeah.
The
Let's
shop
go
next
look.
to this.
नहीं चाहिए. Thank you.
ये लीजिए आपके 500.
Thank you.
चलो.
चलो.
First look तो
और
हो
आगे
चुका.
जाते
We'll end
हैं.
up buying some hats for you. यहाँ देख
ये
सकते हैं.
similar type का hat है मुझे लग रहा है. मुझे नहीं पसंद. No, no, no.
But do you wear hats?
I do wear hats, but I don't feel like these. I do wear hats
Okay, let me help
in Goa
you.
especially because ये वाला
It's
दिखता है.
very hot. This one?
हाँ, दिखता है.
Sure.
Should I take it out and see how it looks?
On yourself.
It
as
would
well.
work, right?
It does work.
But let's see if it works on my head.
Yeah. आपके पास mirror है अंदर? Alright, here you go.
Okay. It's better. I like this one.
Much better.
It's very cute.
Sure. इस hat का कितना? 350 और last price बोलिए आप? चलो ठीक है 300 is not a bad
है
ना चलो 300 ले लेते हैं
फैन नहीं है ना?
चलो ये वाला है ऐसा छोटा वाला
छोटा वाला। अच्छा वैसा कितने का है? कितने का है?
150
I'm buying this for you. Do you want a different color?
Honestly, it's much needed and thank you so much. I'm literally sweating like a
It's
pig.
so hot, right?
Yeah.
And it's meant to be winter in Goa.
I wasn't expecting that to be
Yeah,
honest.
it's very hot.
But thank you, Kalki. That's very
You're
serious.
welcome. ये लो भाई.
Okay,
Okay.
I do like the bags that I see here.
They're cute, no?
But then I already feel this is more
This
than
is
enough.
more than enough for
Let's
this
just get some
outfit.
earrings for you for the
Yeah.
first look.
Yeah. Or even a bangle or something might look nice. Oh,
Pretty
chokers.
chokers,
That looks very pretty. Would that work with the dress? Or
Yes.
look,
Since we have already purchased
These are-
pink.
these are cute, but will they go?
Yeah, but I really love the choker.
You think the choker is better?
Yeah, I love the choker more.
We take the choker.
Yeah, we should take the choker.
It is pretty.
ये थोड़ा
ठीक है,
बहुत
so-
Indian हो गया. ये choker का
Then we
कितना
don't
बोल
need
रहे हो आप?
earrings.
नहीं 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 earrings.
This will be
Choker
too
should
much.
be more than enough.
Yeah.
350 का अच्छा
और last price बोलिए
300
और उससे भी थोड़ा
350
not bad.
Okay, so we're done with
Okay,
outfit
so we are
number
done.
one.
Yeah, we are done with look one. So let's focus on your look two now.
Okay.
So while we are hunting something for you, I want to know, how do you celebrate Christmas at home?
Well, we've already put our tree up. Sappho loves to decorate the tree.
Aww.
And other than that, you know, it's just presents. We're not very like, we don't have big traditions, but yeah, we usually have a Christmas cake and get a little drunk, get some rum, and you know, there's this thing you make with rum and Milkmaid.
Wow.
It's quite
Do you have a
delicious.
sweet tooth?
I do. It's quite yum.
And
It's
do
like
you believe
it's
in
like
Santa
the it's
Claus?
like the Indian version of Bailey's. You know, and it's pretty damn good. So we make that at home. Yeah.
Oh wow. And do you believe in Santa Claus?
No, I don't. I don't believe in Santa Claus.
You believe in yourself.
I believe in myself. I believe I am a very good Santa Claus. I've been Santa Claus for Sappho.
Well, I got my gift already from you, so thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so look two.
I think something even like casual, like I like
Pretty too.
it's cool, no? Like this Om or like something
Very hippie
very hippie. We could do something like that.
and very Goa.
And just get like some fun pants or something with it. Yeah,
No
so
doubt
maybe
with
we
that.
try to find some pants with it or something.
आपके पास shorts में options है?
Shorts, yeah, pants, yeah. This tie-dye one. ये tie-dye वाला दिखाओ.
Wait, let me help you out.
See that? That could really work.
Sure,
No?
sure. Why
Isn't it more like better than this?
not? More vibrant.
I feel it
More
works
fun.
better. I like this combo. And then we could get some really cool like jewelry.
Yeah.
Please,
please.
है ना? Yay!
ये इस टैंक टॉप का और ये हैरम पैंट्स
ये
का
प्राइस
कितना बोल रही हो?
बता दो उसका. ये दोनों का 900. What do you think?
900 बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. थोड़ा कम हो सकता है.
कितना देगा?
आप इसका कितना बोल रही हो टैंक टॉप का? 400. और इसका कितना बोल रहे हो आप?
ठीक है, ज़्यादा होता है.
तो ये आप मुझे ये 300 में दे दो और ये आप मुझे दे सकते हो आप 500 में नहीं दे सकते राउंड से करके
750.
750.
750
You guys
still
are
works.
you're good at this. I'm very bad at
Yes.
bargaining. I just say I'm like thank you. I'm like I don't mind if I'm giving little like 100, 200 more.
If you ever get a chance to steal one of your favorite celebrities' wardrobe, who would that be?
Can I choose a boy? I
Why
like
not?
Abhay Deol's style.
Uh-huh.
And I love all his like funky graphic t-shirts that he wears. I would want to like steal all his t-shirts.
That's a great choice.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We can look for jewelry here.
We can look for jewelry. We could do some bracelets. Since you're
Yeah,
wearing something
like
sleeveless.
this kind of stuff,
Yeah.
right? Like just a whole bunch
A
stacked.
mix of everything.
We got a stack. And maybe like a
Rings. आप rings रखते हो? Do you like wearing rings?
yeah, I like rings. I don't like these 3 rings so much because they're not so comfortable.
Very calming.
Yeah. I'm really into the feathers. Because there's feathers on the t-shirt also, no? Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
हमने ये bracelets लिए हैं और earring. आप इसका total बता दीजिए please.
These are nice. This is
ये
nice.
150 का है.
I'm not that good at maths.
I'm very bad at math. I'm terrible.
1350.
ये एक मिनट ये कितने का है?
150 300.
Each?
हाँ.
नहीं
इतना
नहीं
महंगा
नहीं मैं
क्यों?
मुझे भी मालूम है इतना तो
आप
मैं
मुझे
नहीं
ये
करूँ
सब दे दो
हम
500 में हम खुशी लेके ही चले जाएंगे यहाँ से वाओ she gave it to me all for 500 thank you दीदी
बाय
so do you prefer street shopping or
I do all of it, you know. I do street shopping. I go to like fancy shops. I go when I'm abroad. I like to shop. I love vintage stores
Wow.
when I'm abroad.
मैं बताना है आपको
Yeah, vintage store. You want me to put it back?
it's not windy but it's still coming on this was a very last minute thingy to be honest
It's nice. It's working. Is it tight enough?
yeah
Sling back?
sling back. Oh yeah they have
See, these are nice. These long ones.
but let's
I like
not buy
these.
anything in black because we've
Not
bought
black.
enough.
Oh, you really hate the black, huh? The military green is very nice.
yeah अब ये वाला दिखा दीजिए please
Think it'll work with the outfit? Yeah?
yeah of course
Will work? Cool.
in fact you can reuse it
Yeah.
anytime.
Okay.
It's just a great combination.
Cool.
Yeah, it does.
Done.
It does work.
Done. Which
this
one is
one is
nicer?
darker
This
and
is
this
nice.
one is
I like the
lighter.
darker one.
Yeah, it still works. It also works on the outfit that you are wearing.
Yeah, that's true. Cool. Sorted.
बताइए
ये
इसका
कितने
price.
का है?
1200 का है 1000 है.
इतना महंगा
1200.
क्यों?
Because this is handmade, no? That's why. You know that. It's not like a normal image.
That's true.
Really.
800 में दे दोगे आप, please? Well, things
Not
are really
bad.
working in my favor. I'm glad.
Gaga, I'm impressed. Why do you have this name Gaga? Is it because you're a bit cuckoo, crazy Gaga, like Gaga?
That's one of the reasons, and also because I'm a huge crazy fan
Fan of Lady Gaga.
Cash
Ah,
देना है. I
maybe
paid.
we need
You
to pay. Oh, you paid?
Thank you so much.
Well, that was fast. You have magic skills with payment, huh? That's everything.
That's
Do you need help?
everything. No, that's
You
that's
want to
okay.
carry everything?
I will do the
Fine.
needful for you. So look 1, look 2 is all sorted. Okay,
Sounds good.
and I'm very, very, very excited to get you styled in all
Yes.
of these. So
Me
shall
too.
we?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's try not to get run over. All right.
Well,
let's
finally, street shopping done
Look. Oh
right.
my God.
So starting off with look 1.
Take everything out.
yeah.
This is fun.
To your look 1, so we bought this beautiful outfit in pink, which we are going to team it up with this choker necklace.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the hat.
Yeah.
And then look 2 is this lovely tank
I'm
top.
just keeping all the plastic so I can reuse the plastic because I feel bad
Sure.
about using plastic.
That's very thoughtful of you, Kalki.
This goes with this. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really nice.
So perfect hippie look.
Yeah. And I love that they're so different. Like these are like two different characters, right?
altogether.
This is like one your Chelsea hippie tourist vibe.
Yeah.
And then this is like some
Girl next door.
like you know, it's just like come to Goa for the first time and she's hoping
Sipping
to
margarita.
Yeah, oh my god.
And this bag to go with.
Yes.
Alright, so now it's the time to style you. So let's do this.
Let's do it.